In a bold and unexpected move, Intel's CEO Lip-Bu Tan is now personally stepping in to lead the company's AI and advanced technologies groups. This decision marks a significant shift in how Intel is approaching its future, with Tan taking a hands-on role in the company's most critical area of innovation. On November 10, 2025, Intel announced this sweeping reorganization, making it clear that artificial intelligence is no longer just a part of their business. It's now the company's top priority. The announcement sent ripples through the tech industry, as Intel signaled its intent to double down on AI and advanced technologies. This shakeup comes on the heels of the sudden departure of Sachin Katti, who served as both Intel's Chief Technology Officer and Chief AI Officer. Katti's exit left a leadership vacuum at a crucial time for the company, raising questions about Intel's direction in the fast-evolving AI landscape. Such a high-profile exit could have easily caused uncertainty and shaken confidence among employees and investors. However, Tan's direct involvement is meant to send a strong message of stability and unwavering commitment to AI, reassuring stakeholders that Intel is not backing down from the challenge. It's rare for a CEO of a major tech company to take over a specific division, especially one as complex as AI. This move underscores not only the urgency, but also the strategic importance of artificial intelligence for Intel's future growth and competitiveness. Over the past few years, Intel has struggled to catch up in the AI hardware race, facing fierce competition from rivals like NVIDIA and AMD. Tan's decision to get directly involved is a bold, hands-on approach designed to steer the company through these challenges and accelerate innovation. Since taking the helm as CEO in March 2025, Tan has already made a series of bold decisions to reshape Intel's strategy and culture. But this latest move is by far his most assertive and high-stakes action yet, putting his own reputation on the line. The message from the top is unmistakable. Intel is going all in on AI, and the CEO himself is leading from the front. This is a clear signal to competitors, partners, and customers that Intel is determined to reclaim its leadership in the AI space. The entire industry will be watching closely as Intel embarks on this new chapter, with analysts, investors, and rivals eager to see if Tan's leadership can turn the tide and help Intel regain its competitive edge in the AI race. For both investors and employees, this is a pivotal moment in Intel's ongoing turnaround story, a moment filled with both risk and opportunity, as the company bets big on its future in artificial intelligence. Now, the future of Intel's AI ambitions, and perhaps the company's entire trajectory, rests squarely on the CEO's shoulders as he leads the charge into a new era of innovation and competition. Sachin Katti isn't just another executive, he's a renowned technologist with deep roots in both academia and industry. Before Intel, he spent nearly 15 years as a Stanford professor, shaping the next generation of innovators. Katti joined Intel 4 years ago, first leading the networking group, then rising to CTO and Chief AI Officer in April 2025. He unified Intel's AI projects, driving efforts to compete in the booming AI hardware market. His rare ability to bridge academic research and commercial product development made him a key figure in Intel's AI strategy. Katti's departure is more than a personnel change. It's the loss of a leader handpicked to guide Intel's technological future. The challenge for Intel now is to maintain the momentum he built. His exit leaves a significant void in both leadership and expertise. Top tech talent never stays idle for long. Sachin Katti is joining OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT and DALL-E. This move takes him from a legacy hardware giant to the heart of the generative AI revolution. OpenAI's mission is to ensure artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, and scaling up its hardware is crucial. Katti's arrival signals OpenAI's commitment to building world-class compute infrastructure for its next phase of growth. OpenAI's leadership welcomed him enthusiastically, highlighting the critical role he'll play. At OpenAI, Katti shifts from building hardware to architecting the systems that run on it. An exciting new challenge. His move is a major win for OpenAI and a testament to its allure for top experts. Katti now has the chance to shape the future of AI from a new vantage point. At OpenAI, Katti's mission is clear design and build the compute infrastructure powering everything from GPT-4 to future models. This isn't just a technical job, it's foundational to OpenAI's quest for artificial general intelligence. As AI models grow more complex, the demand for powerful, efficient infrastructure skyrockets. Katti will decide what hardware to use, how to connect it, and how to manage it at scale. Will OpenAI stick with NVIDIA chips or design its own? Can it build greener, more efficient data centers? Katti's Intel experience makes him uniquely qualified to answer these billion-dollar questions. His work will directly impact how quickly OpenAI can achieve its world-changing goals. OpenAI is betting on Katti to architect the foundation of its future. AI isn't just another tech trend, it's the foundation for the next era of computing. The companies that master AI will shape how we live, work, and connect for decades to come. It's a race not just for innovation, but for influence over the future itself. For Intel, AI is both a massive opportunity and an existential threat. The company's legacy is built on powering the world's computers, but the rules are changing fast. The rise of specialized AI chips, or accelerators, has disrupted Intel's traditional dominance in CPUs. Competitors are racing to build faster, smarter hardware designed specifically for AI workloads. To survive and grow, Intel must deliver competitive AI hardware or risk being left behind. The pressure is on to innovate, adapt, and prove they can lead in this new landscape. OpenAI, meanwhile, exists to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, aiming for artificial general intelligence. Their mission is to create AI that can solve problems as broadly and flexibly as a human. Its success depends on attracting top talent and building the most powerful compute infrastructure. Every breakthrough requires more data, more compute, and more collaboration between brilliant minds. Intel and OpenAI are deeply intertwined. OpenAI needs cutting-edge chips, and Intel needs customers like OpenAI. Their partnership is crucial for both to stay ahead in the AI race. The relationship is both symbiotic and competitive, with both companies vying for leadership in the AI ecosystem. Each is pushing the other to innovate faster and reach higher. The stakes are enormous. Control over AI technology promises decades of dominance. Whoever leads in AI will set the pace for the entire tech industry and beyond. The ultimate prize is technological and economic leadership in the AI era. For tech giants, winning the AI race means shaping the world's future and securing their place at the very top. Intel faces tough competition in the AI chip market, with NVIDIA leading the way. The AI revolution has transformed the semiconductor industry, and the stakes have never been higher. As artificial intelligence becomes central to everything from cloud computing to autonomous vehicles, the demand for powerful, efficient chips is skyrocketing. NVIDIA's GPUs, originally designed for gaming, have become the industry standard for AI, thanks to their unmatched parallel processing power and the robust CUDA software ecosystem. This combination has made NVIDIA the go-to choice for researchers, startups, and tech giants alike, cementing its dominance in AI hardware. While Intel's CPUs remain crucial for many computing tasks, its AI accelerators, like the Gaudi series, still lag behind NVIDIA's offerings in both performance and adoption. Intel is working hard to close this gap, but the challenge is immense. Breaking NVIDIA's dominance requires more than just building a better chip. It demands a compelling reason for developers and companies to switch their entire software stacks and workflows, which is no small feat. On top of that, Intel has also fallen behind in manufacturing, with TSMC now producing the most advanced chips for NVIDIA and other competitors. This manufacturing edge gives NVIDIA a significant advantage in both speed and efficiency. Now, Intel is trying to revitalize its factories and launch a foundry business, aiming to catch up with TSMC. However, this is a long, costly process that will require years of investment and innovation before it pays off. The recent loss of Sachin, a key executive, adds even more complexity to Intel's already daunting set of challenges, potentially slowing down critical projects. CEO Lip Bhutan's direct involvement in day-to-day operations shows a deep commitment to turning things around, but it also highlights the immense pressure Intel faces from investors and the broader tech industry. To regain ground, Intel must deliver a flawless product roadmap, execute on its promises, and win back the trust of customers and partners who have shifted to competitors. The battle for AI data centers is truly uphill, and for now, Intel is fighting from behind, racing to catch up in a rapidly evolving landscape where every misstep could be costly. Intel's leadership shakeup could define its future. With CEO Lip Bhutan leading AI, decisions can be made faster and resources focused on key projects. This hands-on approach might be the catalyst Intel needs to accelerate its comeback. But there are risks. Tan's attention is now split, and Katti's move to OpenAI could give a competitor valuable insights. The pressure is on. Intel must show real progress in AI or face tough questions about its future. Wall Street and the industry are watching for new products, benchmarks, and big customer wins. Failure could impact Intel's reputation and market value. This is the most direct intervention yet from Tan, signaling the critical importance of AI. Intel's future may hinge on whether this bold gamble pays off. Katti's move to OpenAI is a strategic play as the lab seeks to control its hardware destiny. As OpenAI's models grow, so do its compute needs, making hardware expertise more valuable than ever. Hiring Katti signals OpenAI's intent to optimize its infrastructure, possibly even designing custom AI chips. His experience at Intel makes him the ideal leader for such an ambitious effort. Even if OpenAI doesn't build its own chips, Katti can help create more powerful, efficient data centers. In the race to AGI, even small gains in efficiency matter. This move strengthens OpenAI's position as the AI leader, building the stack from silicon to software. OpenAI is gearing up for the immense engineering challenges ahead. Katti's move from Intel to OpenAI highlights the real competition in tech, the race for talent. In AI, the most valuable asset isn't data or capital, it's human expertise. Only a handful of people can design next-gen AI chips and supercomputers, making them the architects of our digital future. OpenAI's ambitious mission attracts top minds, while Intel must compete on culture and vision as much as technology. Lip Bhutan's decision to lead AI himself is a signal that Intel is serious about innovation. Success in AI will go to companies that inspire and empower the best talent. The war for talent is intensifying, and the winners will shape the future of technology. Ultimately, the story of AI will be written by the people who build it.